everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be doing a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. Now before I get into this video, I wanted to quickly announce the giveaway winner. So the winner of my first giveaway is Angie Anti-Love. Congratulations, Angie. Please be sure to contact me within a week so I can send you your stuff. But also, if I don't hear from you within a week, I would have to send I would have to choose another giveaway winner. So please be sure to contact me as soon as possible. Okay, so let's get right into the video. Okay, so my brows are done because I haven't really found anything that I like from Dollar Tree for my brows just yet. So I did those off camera, and I'm going to start off with eyeshadow. So first I have this Wet n Wild cream liquid eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Camelback. And it looks like this, and I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow primer. So let's start by putting this on. Okay, so the eyeshadow primer is on, and now we're going to go on with this LA Colors Smoky eyeshadow palette. Now this is new. Got this in Dollar Tree. This is just their smoky palette. And I'm going to go in with, now this only has one matte shade, which is the black shade. But I am going to go in with these grays, and I'll probably go in with this color in the inner portion of my eyelid. So let's see what we do with this. I'm going to start with this gray shade right here, and I'm just going to get a blending brush and pack it in the crease. Okay, so next I'm going to take this shade and put this into my crease and in the outer corner. Okay, so I'm gonna add some more black into the outer corner, but first I want to put this icy shade right here in the inner part of my eyelid. So I'm just gonna use my finger for this. Looks pretty. Okay, then I'm gonna add a little bit more black to the outer corner. So I'm just going to clean this up. I'm going to put on a pair of lashes, which I have the Ioni lashes in the style Wispy Flare Spiky, and these are the ones I'm going to be wearing today. So I'm going to put these on off camera, and I'll be right back. Lashes are on, and I love this style so much. It is so pretty. These spiky lashes, I really like this style, so I have to pick up more of these for sure, and definitely pick up more for the next giveaway. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is go in with some primer. Now what I picked up from Dollar Tree is this facial gel hydrator with watermelon and aloe. It's for all skin types, and it's by Bolero. And the reason I picked this up as a primer is because it has glycerin in it. So I figured it would help the makeup stick. So I'm going to try this, and it's hydrating. So it's perfect for this time of year when you need something hydrating under your makeup. So I'm going to go in with this. Smells really good. Okay, so today for foundation, I'm going in with this Maybelline Super Stay foundation stick. It's for multi-use. So I'm going to go in with this in the shade Toffee. And yes, I picked this up at Dollar Tree for $1. I'm not sure if they're still making these, but I'm not sure how good this color is going to match me right now. But this is the shade I picked up to try. Ooh, it's dark. All right, so we're gonna do 2 of these like this. This on the outer part, outer, and then I have another shade that I bought for fall and winter. Right now I still have a tan, so I thought this shade would work, but it's way too deep for me, so I'm gonna mix it with the other shade I picked up from Dollar Tree. And I picked this one up in the shade 312 Golden. Now let's see how this blends with the sponge. I was going to try the blender, but I'm just going to go in with my beauty sponge. This is an e.l.f. sponge. Okay, I like this foundation. It's very matte, and being as though I have an oily T-zone, I love matte foundations. It has really good coverage, and yeah, so far I'm liking it. The shade is off. I'm looking kind of orange, but so next I'm going to go in with a cream contour that I've been dying to try. This is the LA Colors contour stick, and I got it in the shade dark. So I'm going to try this out for the first time and see how I like it. Pretty. Okay, I like that contour. I'm still have to play with it a little more to see how I really like it, but it blends easily. Good shade. They come in light, medium, and dark. The dark and the medium probably both work for me. I figured I'd pick up the darker shade since I was still a little tan. So next I'm going to go in with concealer. Now I don't have any new concealer today. I have the yellow concealer and the peach conceal corrector from LA Colors, and these are both from Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to go in with these today. First I'm going to go in with the peach corrector. Then I'm going to go in with this yellow shade. I don't want to put too much because I don't want it to be too bright under there. So first I'm going to go in with a little brush to blend it out. Okay, so for today, for powder, I don't have anything new, but this is a Hard Candy Translucent Loose Powder. And this is their matte formula. This is a very finely milled powder. I really like it. It's translucent, looks like this. Oh, okay. So let me just set the makeup with this. First, I'm gonna set my under eyes. Now I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to put on my jelly highlighter before applying powder, so we're gonna try that highlighter over powder. But before we do that, we're gonna go back into bronzer. Actually, no. Before we go into bronzer, we're gonna finish the eyes. So I'm gonna go to the for the waterline. I'm gonna use this LA Colors liner in the shade Veiled, and it's a white shade. It's like this. Okay, this liner is not the most pigmented, so I wouldn't recommend this shade. I'm not sure how the other ones work, but this white shade in Veiled, you can see it. You can see the difference, but I'm not really crazy about it. I had to go back and forth quite a few times. Okay, well, next I'm going to go in with the mascara, which is this Wet n Wild Mega Wear Mascara in the shade Black. And it looks like this. And this is what the brush looks like. So I'm going to use this for my lower lashes, and I'm also going to use it to blend my natural lashes with my falsies on top. Okay, now as far as this mascara is concerned, I really don't care for it much. It took me a while to do the bottom lashes, and the formula is very wet, so my bottom lashes are barely noticeable right now. But so I would, if you see this in your Dollar Tree, I would pass. Okay, so now we're gonna go into bronzer. Now the two bronzers I have here are Sun Goddess and Bronze Beauty. Now Bronze Beauty looks very red tone, very orangey and reddish. So I don't think I'm gonna go in with this one because of I don't feel as orangey as I did before. Let me see, because Sun Goddess looks kind of light, almost like a highlighter. Not for my skin tone, but for a deeper skin tone, this would be great as a highlighter. I'm not sure how it will look on me as a bronzer, but you know what? I'm going to try it. So yeah, I'm going in with Sun Goddess. Well, it definitely gave me a pretty glow. It looks like I can skip out on the highlighter. This is a great option if you just want to bronze, if you're in a rush and you just want to do a quick look and you want to bronze, but you don't feel like highlighting and putting a glowy blush or whatever. I mean, look how glowy I am from this bronzer. I mean, it's not what I prefer, so I'm not going to bronze up the whole face. But if you want like a 2-in-1 bronzer highlighter, this is a good choice for $1. I think it's pretty. I mean, it's all depends on your personal preference. If you like sheen, some sheen, and in this case, it's a lot of sheen. So next I'm going to go in with blush. I have this e.l.f. blush in the shade Brick Red. This is so pretty. I've been testing this out. I've worn this for the last 3 days, and it is beautiful. So pretty. And you only need the tiniest bit. Let me just show you. Okay, so I like to put a little little blush on my nose. So like this. And all I did was tap tap. So now tap tap is all you need. And I'm using a light hand. Look at that shade, it's beautiful. Like I'm so in love with this. Definitely gonna pick up one for the giveaway, for the next giveaway. So pretty. Okay, Now, I think I'm going to skip out on highlight. I was going to test out this jelly highlighter, but since this bronzer is so glowy, you know what? I'm going to try it out on my nose, actually. So I'm just going to grab a little bit, put it on the back of my hand, and then just tap it in like this and see if it doesn't remove the rest of my makeup. Okay, I mean, it's really a pretty color, you can see. And this one is in the shade Dew. Then we're gonna spray the face. So I got this soothing facial mist with the rose water and aloe for all skin types from Dollar Tree by the brand Bolero. And this also has glycerin in it, so this could be good as a priming spray, like a priming water and a primer. So let's check this mist out. I know I checked it initially. It's not a bad mist, but it's a little aggressive, but it comes out pretty evenly. So I'm just not gonna put it too close to my face. Let's see. Okay, the spritz is not even. I noticed some drops here and there, you know, on my face, but not a big deal. For $1 and you get 4 ounces. Now before I go in with lips, I'm just gonna go off camera, fix my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay, so hair is done. I just threw it up really quickly and let's move forward. So for lips today, I'm gonna go in with this lip liner by Maybelline and it's in the shade Nude. And yes, I also picked this up at Dollar Tree. It was a great find. So let me shade my lips in with this. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with the LA Colors Matte Lips in the shade Beloved. And it looks like this. Really pretty shade. Okay. Very pretty color. Pretty nude shade. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I really appreciate the support. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, please. It really helps me out a lot. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for other videos, upcoming videos. Please let me know below. Again, congratulations to the giveaway winner. Please make sure you contact me within the week. You have a week to contact me, and if not, I would have to choose another giveaway winner. Congratulations again, and thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.